Hey guys, welcome back to another fun episode of Learning with Fun Gloves. Today's fun gloves are all white because they're magician gloves. Pretty cool. Today we have this LEGO number train, 1 through 9, or I should say 0 through 9. Pretty cool. Let's put it together. Okay, we start by opening it up here. Let's see what's inside. Oh, we got a lot of good stuff. Whoa. All right. Got some directions and some other products that we can get with the train. All right, we got 3 bags. Let's put it together. All right, that's 1 bag. Let's open up this bag. There's 2 bags. Three bags. Man, look at all this cool stuff. We got a blue train car. We have a red train car. We have a yellow train car. And a green train car. All right, let's see. We got blocks. We got little people. Here's a little girl. There's a little boy. And I thought I saw a doggy. Oh, there is. There's a doggy right here. Look at the doggy. Ruff, ruff. All right, well, let's start with our yellow car here. And let's put the locomotive together. Let's see. Let's put the front of the engine on, number 1, and it's blue. And let's put this together. It's the little train conductor compartment. Let's put that right there. It's like a teal. And here's a roof. Got little holes here. We're gonna line it up with these studs. Oh, did we get it? It's a little hard to put on. There we go. Look at that. It opens and closes. That's awesome. Alright, let's go with the red car and attach it to the train. Yeah, look at that. And let's see, let's do a green car. Attach it behind the red. And then finally the blue car. Go. All right, do you know what comes first? That's right, 1 is gonna be our first number. It's a number 1. We're gonna put that right there. Do you know what's next after 1? This orange 2. All right, choo-choo. Let's see. Oh, next is 3, yellow. All right, we have 1, 2, 3 for our first train car. Now, we'll put a little top of the train car together, and it's ready to go on the train tracks. But we still have 2 other train cars, and we still have the rest of the numbers to put on after 3. Remember, we're gonna go all the way to 9. So what's after 3? That's right, good job. Number 4. It's this yellow and orange 4. Right behind the 3. After 4, let's look for 5. Oh, there it is, 5. Then this mint and dark green. After 5 is 6 with this dark and light green. All right, we just finished this car, so let's put the roof on. There we go. All right, our last train car after 6 is 7. There's 8. There's 7. A blue and light blue 7. Right after the 6. And it matches the train car. Look at that. Next up is this light blue and dark blue 8. After 8 is, oh no, that's 0. After 8 is 9 with this purple 9. All right, let's put the roof on. All right, look at that. That's awesome. Well, now we need somebody to steer the train. So who should we put in the train? Let's see. This little girl or this little boy? Well, he's got a number 1 on. So it looks like he's the train conductor because look at the 1. 1 and 1. So she must be the passenger. All right. Her and her puppy must be the passenger. So let's put him right there to steer the train. There we go. Close the top. And then we have the 0 left, the little girl, and this puppy. Where should we put him? Let's see. Let's put the 0 in the middle. Let's put the puppy in the front. And let's put the little girl sitting on the back. Yeah, look at that. Choo-choo! All right, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0, 6, 7, 8, 9. I don't know why it didn't come with a 10, but after 9, of course, is 10. Or you can count 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's how you set up the train. So let's stack the numbers now. I got an idea. Let's put all the numbers on one train car. Let's do that. Let's pick the middle one. Let's pick green. And we're gonna go backwards all the way to 1. So from 9 to 1. So the first one is 9. We're gonna pop that right there. Our second number is 8. And down from 8 is going to be 7. After 7 is 6. Then 5. Then 4. Then 3. And 2. And then 1. And we could put the 0 right here next to this little girl and her doggy. What do you think? That's pretty cool too. And then we have some extra pieces there. Look at that. You can configure it any way you want. And then if you want to, you could go 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 that way. Should we try it? All right, let's try it. 9, and then 8, 7, and 6, 5, 4, 3, where's 3? 3, 2, 1. So look at that. Let's put the cars together. Let's put the roofs back on. Look at that. That's pretty cool. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, well, thanks for putting this together with me. I hope you liked it. I'll see you again next time. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.